Let's make this delicious kare kare. Kare kare is a Filipino peanut-based stew traditionally made with oxtail, but you can use other meats like beef or pork. Today, I'm going to use beef shanks. It's cheaper, meatier, and easier to find than oxtail. I will also use a pressure cooker to cut the cooking time in half, which is great when you don't have a lot of time and you're craving for that rich kare kare taste. Feel free to use Instapot or regular pan. This recipe is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for a comforting meal. I'll break down the process so you can confidently make it at home. So let's start by preparing the ingredients. 2 pounds good quality beef shanks, 1 eggplant sliced, 10 pieces of long beans cut into 2 inches long, 2 bunches of bok choy, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon annatto or sweaty powder to give your dish that vibrant, appetizing orange-red color. 1/4 to 1/2 cup smooth peanut butter. A true kare kare is flavored with peanut butter, so don't skip this ingredient. You will also need salt and pepper and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let's talk about some options for your stew base. You can use 4 to 6 cups of water plus 1 beef bouillon cube. You can also use beef broth, about 4 to 6 cups also. Or you can use a combination of water and beef broth. Or just water, it's also fine, but today I'm going to use water and 1 beef bouillon cube. I just like the way it tastes in my final dish. In a pressure cooker, heat the oil over medium heat. Then add the beef shanks. Brown on all sides about 5 minutes. Take out the meat from the pressure cooker. Add the onion, and garlic, and cook until softened, about 2 minutes. Return the beef shanks in the pressure cooker. Pour in the water or beef broth. boil and spoon out the scum. If you're using beef bouillon cube, this is the time to add in your beef cube. Lock the lid on the pressure cooker and set it to high pressure for 45 minutes to an hour. If you are using Instapot or regular pan, the cooking time will vary. Instapot may only require 30 to 40 minutes for the meat to be tender, while the stove-top method using a regular pan will take about 2 hours to 2.5 hours. Release the pressure and open the lid. Make sure to release all pressure before opening. Take out some broth depending on how much sauce you would like in your kare kare. I like my sauce a little thicker and my husband doesn't like kare kare, so I took out about a serving of meat and enough broth for his beef nilaga. And I just added some vegetable for his dish. Now you are ready to add the annatto or Aswati powder. Just stir it in until fragrant, about 30 seconds. And now it's time to add the peanut butter. Depending on how much you like peanut butter in your sauce, you can add in as little or as much as you like. In the end, I think I ended up using about 1/4 cup of peanut butter, which for me is the perfect consistency and the perfect flavor. Don't forget to taste your sauce along the way, just to make adjustments according to your taste. Don't forget to add in some salt and some pepper. And then add your vegetables. Add eggplant and long beans. And then simmer for about 5 minutes. This is completely optional, but I like to add in some thickener. It's called galapong in the Philippines, but basically it's just 1 tablespoon of rice flour dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. I just mixed it in the sauce until I achieved my desired consistency. I like it because it makes the sauce really creamy and thick without adding extra peanut butter in the sauce. I think this is about the perfect consistency, something that I really liked in my kare kare. Lastly, add your bok choy. It doesn't take any time at all to cook, so just put it in at the very last minute. And if you think your sauce is a little thicker than you like, just add in some broth. Now it's time to plate your kare kare. This one came out the way I like it. The sauce is just enough. It's thick, it's creamy, and it looks really good. I'm gonna give it a little taste test here and I'll tell you how it tastes like. And there you have it, a quick and easy kare kare using a pressure cooker. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips or suggestions. This tastes really good and I really enjoyed it. I always like to pair it with rice and a side of sauteed shrimp paste or bagoong. I'm so happy on how this kare kare turned out. The meat is tender, the sauce is creamy and tasty without overpowering peanut butter flavor. I hope this video nourished your foodie soul and sparked some dish inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and click this video for another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.